just want to make sure where I am is where you are.
When we leave, then we can have that conversation.
Do you regret being married because of this show?
If I wasn't married, coming out from this place.
You must return to the diary room to retrieve and redistribute the egg. Just ensure you don't get caught.
Take it to the house now. Come see our bedroom.
Yeah, okay, show me now. John, when you leave, call me.
Now Ben is disrespecting me.
Now you now, what do you talk about? So why are you taking it pee?
So why you now?
No, why are you calling my name now?
I just the call.
I don't get.
Erica doesn't do anything for anybody or herself unless it benefits her. Maybe how they just stick to that topic.
How many times have you mentioned my name?